anyone in this? That means aldehydes will give 1 degree alcohol and ketone will give 2 degree alcohol. Can we prepare 3 degree alcohol by this method? Can we prepare 3 degree alcohol by this method? Can we prepare 3 degree alcohol by this method? Can we prepare 3 degree alcohol by this method? एक H जोड़ के हम 3 डिग्री अल्कोहल बना सकते हैं. Three degree alcohol cannot be prepared by this method because carbon cannot have 5 valencies. You will require such carbonyl compound. You will require such carbonyl compound. But carbon cannot have 5 valency. Carbon cannot have 5 valency. As carbon cannot have 5 valency, we cannot prepare 3 degree alcohol by this method. Okay, so what we'll do? 3 degree alcohol. क्या कर सकते हैं फिर? What else we can do to prepare 3 degree alcohol? Is prepared with the help of Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent. With the help of Grignard reagent. Now Grignard reagent will give you 1 R. क्योंकि Grignard reagent ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री में ऐसा कंपाउंड है जिसके अंदर R नेगेटिव होता है. So your H negative will be replaced by R negative. If you take a ketone and you are adding CH3 MgX to it, CH3 is minus, this is delta plus, so it will attack on this will go up, we will get RC double bond O negative single bond CH3 R MgX. इसमें अगर हम पानी डाल देते हैं, if we add water to it, then this will take H and this will take OH. It will become RCOH CH3R. 3 degree alcohol we will be getting. 3 degree alcohol we will be getting. Understood? 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 So when a ketone is treated with Grignard reagent, it will give you 3 degree alcohol. 2 alkyl groups it already have and 1 R you are providing. Overall it becomes 3 R and becomes 3 degree alcohol. Any problem to anyone in this? Any problem to anyone in this? Try कर लेते हैं. If we have acetophenone and you are adding phenyl MgBr with water, what you will get? what you will get in this reaction. What you will get in this reaction? This is your Grignard reagent. This will be negative. This will be positive. This negative will attack on this. This will go up. So one phenyl you already have. Now you have another one phenyl, another one phenyl, and OH. This will be your answer. Any problem to anyone in this?
सर इसका नाम क्या है?
इसका नाम हो जाएगा 111 ट्राइफिनाइल मीथेनॉल.
ठीक है सर.
Understood. So let's do some practice. थोड़ी practice कर लेते हैं. We have HCHO and we are adding C2H5 MgBr. You just have to tell me that what aldehydes or alcohol you are getting. Yes. So what we will be getting in this? फर्स्ट केस में क्या मिलेगा? वेरी गुड साहिल. प्रोपेनॉल. वेरी गुड वेद. नेक्स्ट में क्या मिलेगा? All of you please. Alicia, Abida, Kedrick, Kiara, Jay, Jovan, please reply. ऐसे बैठे रहने से ऑर्गेनिक नहीं आएगी आपको यार. I'm just telling you what questions can come. There can be so much of variety in these questions. ठीक है, compound change होगा तो you should be able to solve it. यहाँ पर H minus ion will attack. So it will be 2 degree alcohol. Propanol. Very good, Sohil, Shantul. Very good, Nelia. Next. नेक्स्ट इसमें क्या मिलेगा? if you can give common name of it, that will also be okay. Common name ही बता दो. Very good, Sohail. We will say it benzyl alcohol. Sohail, it is important to remember common name for this. Okay, if you are giving that, that is also correct. But you should know that is benzyl alcohol. Next. You should know very well in which case you have to do rearrangements. For that you have to read it. Daily आपको जो पढ़ाया जा रहा है उसको practice करनी पड़ेगी आपको. By your own you have to make the movements also. याद नहीं कर सकते organic. This will be the answer. Understood? ठीक है, इसको मैं लिख देता हूं. 2-phenyl propanetol. Propanetol. Any doubt in this? इसका मतलब aldehydes with LaH, that is lithium aluminum hydride, that is LiLH4, or NBH, that is sodium boron hydride, will give 1 degree alcohol. Ketone plus this will give you 2 degree alcohol. Aldehyde with Grignard reagent gives 2 degree alcohol. Ketones with Grignard reagent gives 3 degree alcohol. And formaldehyde with Grignard reagent gives 1 degree alcohol. याद नहीं करना है. You have to try. You have to take one aldehyde and try to solve it. That will be better. याद करके चलोगे तो बहुत कुछ है. So you do not have to memorize it. You just have to take an example and try it. You will get it. Understood? Understood? Now, yesterday there was one more method from alkene only. There was one more method from alkene only, but I didn't tell you because उसमें time ज़्यादा लगता. We were not able to complete that. तो हम आज करेंगे. From alkenes, hydroboration, oxidation. Hydroboration, oxidation. It will give you anti-Markovnikov product, anti-Markovnikov product, no rearrangement, no rearrangement, alkene to alcohol. ठीक है, हम कल कर सकते हैं, लेकिन इसमें टाइम ज्यादा लगता है। आई जस्ट स्किप दैट, कॉपी इट फास्ट। I am telling you the important reactions with mechanism. So question can come in between from that also. Question बीच में भी आ सकता है. So whatever reactions I am telling you with mechanism, you should know them. ठीक है, with mechanisms. They can change the reagents. Just bit. Huh? किचन में पानी ब्लॉक हो जाता है इसलिए तो बुलाते हैं किसी को. Just wait 2 minutes.
नहीं जा रहा है इसलिए चोट का या मेरे को और जो झूठा खाना होता है ना, झूठा खाना एक कटोरे में अलग से रख दीजिए. ठीक, वो मेल में लगता है ना, वो भी अंदर जाके ब्लॉक हो जाता है.
Done. Okay. So if we have an alkene, reagents will be B2H6, H2O2, and water. This will be the reagent. If these reagents are given, you can directly write the product also. If I'm saying it is anti-Markovnikov rule, where OH will go? Where OH will go? 1 or 2? अगर हम बोल रहे हैं कि एंटी मार्कोनिव रूल है, where OH will go? 2. So we can easily write the answer. Answer लिखना मुश्किल नहीं है. Reagent कितने सारे दिए हैं, but answer is very easy. Where it will go, 1 or 2? Even if we have like this, what we will get, 1 or 2? What we'll get, 1 or 2? Will there be a conversion of 5-membered ring to 6-membered ring? Will there be a conversion of 5? No sir, ऐसा कुछ नहीं करना है. It is very easy reaction. बाहर की तरफ OH लगा दो, अंदर की तरफ H लगा दो. Okay, but we will do the mechanism also, because they may not give you H2O2 and water. अब तो आप ये प्रोडक्ट नहीं बना सकते. They may not give you at water only. Then also you want this, make this product. They may change H2O2 to D2O2. They may change your B2H6 to B2D6. Cycloalkene can be converted to alcohol like this. Where do we have cycloalkene, Abhida? Or you are just asking it randomly? Because this was not cycloalkene. If there is a case like that, definitely. Any double bond you have, any double bond you have can be converted. Okay, copy these two also. Copy these two also. All of you done?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, तो मैकेनिज्म देखते हैं. B2H6 is basically a dimer of BH3. B2H6 is a dimer of BH3. So BH3 will be the reactive species. Now in BH3, we will break BH3 like H and BH2. We will break H and BH2. H will go to the hindered site because वो छोटा है तो वो hindered site पे जा सकता है. H will go to the hindered site and BH2 will go to the less hindered site. What will happen? We will be having something like this. Transition state. We will be having a transition state. Four-membered cyclic transition state. Now these things are important. These can be in between questions. Four-membered cyclic transition state. Four-membered cyclic transition state. Four-membered cyclic transition state. तो इसमें आप क्या देख रहे हो? This bond has not been broken fully. ये bond पूरा नहीं टूटा है. This bond has not been formed fully. This bond has not been broken fully. This bond has not been joined fully. ये bond partially break हुआ है. ये bond partially form हो रहा है. Partially break हो रहा है. Partially form हो रहा है. This is your transition state. Finally क्या होगा? Finally जो partial था वो खत्म हो जाएगा. And we will get something like this. Any doubt in this? Any doubt in this? This bond will break partially. There will be a formation of bond partially. BH2 and H bond will break partially. And H and CH bond will form partially. all these partial forms are present in a transition state. Any problem to anyone in this? Both BH2 and H are coming from the same side. So there is a syn addition. Syn addition. Any problem till here? If you didn't get this, you won't get the next step also. Ved, I said BH3 want to add on this double bond. BH3 will be present like H and BH2. So there is the partial breaking of bond. Partial breaking of bond. Partial formation of bond. Again partial breaking of bond. And partial formation of bond. Partially break hoga, partially form hoga, partially break hoga, partially form hoga, and ultimately we will get this. All of you understood the first step? Say yes. All of you understood the
Yes.
first step? ठीक है. Next step में क्या होगा? You will take another such alkene. You will take another such alkene. मतलब हम दो alkene लेंगे. You will take another such alkene. And this will behave like BH3. This will behave like BH3. BH3 क्या कर रहा था? H डोनेट कर रहा था. So now this will behave like BH3. So what we'll get? What we will get? This H will go to this carbon and rest will come on this carbon. Understood? BH3 की तरह behave करेगा. So H will go to this carbon. H will go to this carbon. Rest will come on the terminal carbon. आपको मिल जाएगा CH3, CH2, CH2, BH, CH2, CH2, CH3. Understood? All of you understood this step? क्या किया इसमें हमने? All of you understood this step? ये स्टेप समझ में आएगा तभी नेक्स्ट स्टेप समझ में आएगा. This hydrogen will be given to this carbon. Whatever left has been given to this carbon. And hence we have this and we have this. Can we write it as CH3, CH2, CH2 whole twice BH? ऐसे लिख सकते हैं? अभी एक और H है तो एक और बार रिपीट करेंगे. Repeat again. That means actually we want 3 alkenes. रिपीट करेंगे. कैसे रिपीट करेंगे? CH3 CH डबल बॉन्ड CH2 will be added to CH3 CH2 CH2 whole twice BH. H will go to this carbon, whatever left will go to this carbon, and we'll be getting CH3 CH2 CH2 whole thrice B. Any doubt in this? Any doubt to anyone in this? So we can say CH3 CH double bond CH2 when reacted with B2H6 only, actually 3 moles reacts, and they give CH3 CH2 CH2 whole thrice B. Understood? Understood? Okay, tell me where the hydrogen of boron has gone. बोरोन के हाइड्रोजन कहां पर हैं? 1 2 3. The hydrogens which were present on boron कहां पर है? वो 1 पर, 2 पर या 3 पर? Where the hydrogens of boron are present? 2 पर. It means if you have CH3CH double bond CH2 and B2D6, your answer will be this. This. Or this. A, B और C. Third.
B.
B कैसे हुआ यार? Both hydrogens you have to remove. Okay, we had only one hydrogen, na? Very good. It will be B. Sorry. Only one hydrogen has been added. One तो उसके पास already था ना? And this will be H3. Understood? Jovan, Ved. Jovan understood? All others? Soham, Sohil, Alicia, Nelia. if we add this and we have 3 moles of this, so we'll be getting CH3, sorry, benzene D CH2 whole thrice B. This will be the answer. Right? All of you? Okay. Then we have addition of H2O2. Addition of H2O2. ये हमारा second reagent है in the same reaction. So when you have Br3 and you are adding H2O2, then what will happen? It will be B, R, R, and R. What will happen? This is called insertion of oxygen. Insertion of oxygen. This will attack on this. R will attack on this. This will go out. Lone pair will attack on boron. R will attack on oxygen, and this will go out. Oxygen will be inserted. Oxygen will be inserted like this. Understood? There was a hydrogen which has been removed. There was a hydrogen which has been removed like this. Finally, आपको ये मिलेगा. Understood? थ्री टाइम्स रिपीट करने पर. Any doubt to anyone in this? This lone pair attacks on this, R again attack on this. तो ये न्यूट्रलाइज हो गया. Then O has given this pair of electron, तो O पर पॉजिटिव चार्ज आ गया, and hydrogen has been removed, तो ऑक्सीजन का पॉजिटिव चार्ज न्यूट्रलाइज हो गया. We will be getting this from H2O2. Oxygen attacked on boron. So how bond is formed between B and O then R? साहिल, देखो जब ऑक्सीजन ने बोरोन पर अटैक किया तो ये बॉन्ड ब्रेक हो जाएगा. This bond will break and this R will attack on oxygen. ऑक्सीजन बोरोन पर अटैक कर रहा है, R ऑक्सीजन पर अटैक कर रहा है, तो R will be bonded to oxygen, oxygen will be bonded to boron. क्योंकि बोरोन अपनी वैलेंसी इंक्रीज नहीं कर सकता ना, बोरोन को 3 ही वैलेंसी करनी है. एक बॉन्ड बनाएगा तो एक बॉन्ड तोड़ देगा. Oxygen will attack on boron. Boron will break Br bond and R will attack on oxygen. All of you understood this? तो आपको फाइनली ये मिल जाएगा. Understood? Now, addition of water. If you add 3 water to it, अब इसमें 3 water add करते हो, what will happen? This will take H, this will take OH 3 times. This will take H, this will take OH. This will take H, this will take OH. You will get 3 alcohols plus boric acid. Plus boric acid. H3BO3. H3BO3. Understood? 3 alcohol plus boric acid. All of you, बहुत difficult करना होगा. Only then they will make these changes. Otherwise, it is very easy. Reaction, I told you. Mechanism आएगा नहीं. Mechanism you don't have to worry about. You should only know कि क्या कहाँ पर जा रहा है. B2D6, H2O2, water. B2H6, D2O2, D2O. B2D6, D2O2, D2O. B2H6, H2O2, H2O. Make all the products. If you understood the mechanism, make all the products. Make all the products. फर्स्ट वाले में क्या आएगा? CH3, CHD, CH2OH. D will come here. सेकेंड वाले में क्या आएगा? CH3, CH2, CH2OD. OD will come here. थर्ड वाले में क्या आएगा? CH3, CHD, CH2OD. फोर्थ वाले में क्या आएगा? CH3, CH2, CH2OH. Understood. Understood.
Yes, sir.
All of you understood? ठीक है. एक और रिएक्शन है for the same thing. Oxymercuration, demercuration. Oxymercuration, demercuration. Oxymercuration, demercuration. Oxymercuration, demercuration. HgOAc whole twice, water, and NaBH4. This will also give similar reaction. इसमें भी OH और H ही ऐड होता है. Markovnikov और anti-Markovnikov.
Markovnikov.
This is Markovnikov. So we are getting Markovnikov product. But we have done this. Why it is required? No rearrangement. No rearrangement. OH will come from water. H will come from NaBH4. That's it. For example, water की जगह पर if they are giving you alcohol, then OR will go. That is the only extra thing. मतलब H को हटा दो, जो बच जाएगा that will attack. क्योंकि water क्या होता है? Water is HOH. So water के केस में OH will go, alcohol के केस में OR will go. H will come from NaBH4. Understood? Understood? इसका मैकेनिज्म करने की जरूरत नहीं है. You should know all these things. That's it. ट्राई करते हैं. phenol. Copy it fast and give their products. OAC, see HgOAC. AC का मतलब होता है एसिटाइल ग्रुप CH3CO. OAC क्या हो गया? एसिटेट ग्रुप CH3 C डबल बॉन्ड O और O. HgOAC का मतलब क्या हो गया? होल्ड वाइज दिया ना, इसको होल्ड वाइज कर देते हैं. इसका मतलब मर्क्यूरिक एसिटेट. यहाँ पर +2 चार्ज, -1 -1. अंडरस्टूड साहिल? मर्करी इज प्रेजेंट इन +2 ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट. इसको बोलेंगे मर्क्यूरिक एसिटेट. मर्क्यूरिक एसिटेट. प्रोडक्ट्स. Are you getting these products only? All of you are getting these products only?
Yes, sir.
अगर इसको NaBD4 कर देंगे, H will be replaced by D. 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 If it is D4. D4. If it is D4. Understood? These are the minor changes you should know. It can be asked in exams. क्योंकि डायरेक्टली इतना सिंपल तो नहीं पूछेंगे. All of you understood this? From carboxylic acid. With LiAlH4, not NaBH4. It gives 1 degree alcohol. 1 degree alcohol. It will not work with this. ये weak reducing agent होता है. Weak reducing agent. Okay, you can use diborane also. Diborane use करेंगे, then also we will get 1 degree alcohol. Understood? Understood. From alkyl halides they have already done. Aqueous KOH. Remember this, ये alcoholic KOH नहीं होना चाहिए. Aqueous KOH it is. Aqueous KOH. Substitution reaction. Aqueous का मतलब पानी, पानी में डाला हुआ है KOH. Copy it fast. मतलब if you have benzoic acid and you are adding LiAlH4, यहाँ पर CH3 लगा देते हैं. So it won't touch CH3, it will just convert your COH to CH2OH. Understood? Any doubt in this? Which one you will get? इसको ये बोल देते हैं, B, C और D. A, D. What about others? Abida, Alicia, बताओ आप लोग भी. Arel, Deepika, Jay. What will it be? A. Why not C? C क्यों नहीं होगा? Alisha, why it will not be C?
So the Cl bond with the ring won't break, no?
Very good. And the reason was?
PDCH.
Yes. So this won't be the answer because of PDCH. So this will be the answer. Okay, Sahil. Very good, Alisha. All of you understood this? Right, on physical and chemical properties of alcohols. Physical and chemical properties of alcohol. Boiling point. Should I say alcohols will have high boiling point? Due to alcohol generally have high boiling point due to intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Due to intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Alcohol generally have high boiling point due to intermolecular hydrogen bonding. As the chain of alkyl group increases, as the chain of alkyl group increases, surface area increases, boiling point increases. Okay. Copy it fast. Among 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree alcohol, maximum boiling point, among 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree alcohol, maximum boiling point, as the branching increases, surface area decreases, so boiling point decreases for same number of carbon atom. फॉर सेम नंबर ऑफ कार्बन एटम. अगर आपके पास 5 कार्बन है तो 3 डिग्री वाला विल बी लेसर देन 2 डिग्री, लेसर देन 1 डिग्री. वेरी गुड शांतनु. No, there won't be any repulsion. All of them are maximum distance apart, 109 degree. That is alkene. Understood. All of you got this? If we talk about solubility, alcohols will be soluble in water or not? Alcohols will be soluble in water. Why? Because both water and alcohol have intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Both of them have intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Understood? But hydrocarbon part is hydrophobic in nature. Hydrocarbon part is hydrophobic in nature. So, as the number of alkyl group increases, solubility decreases. Understood? For 1 degree alcohol, up to 5 carbon, alcohols are soluble in water. alcohols are soluble in water. Okay. So, phenols are not soluble in water, though ethanol is. What will be the reason behind it? What will be the reason behind it? Phenols are not soluble in water, though ethanol is. Phenol are not soluble in water, though ethanol is. Both of them have OH group. Both of them must be having hydrogen bonding. What will be the reason? इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव क्या करेगा यार? फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज हम बात कर रहे हैं. इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी की बात नहीं होगी. फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टी में केवल साइज देखते हैं. Phenyl group has 6 carbon atoms, hence have high hydrophobic character. Hydrophobic character, hence dominates over hydrophilic character. Dominates over hydrophilic character. हाइड्रोफिलिक के ऊपर क्या करता है? वो डोमिनेट कर जाता है. सो insoluble in water. So insoluble in water. Understood? Any doubt in this? All of you done? Write down chemical properties of alcohol. Chemical properties of alcohol. Chemical properties of alcohol. This is alcohol. It can show two types of chemical properties. एक तो in one O and H bonds break, and in one R and OH bond breaks. Copy it fast. OH bond breaks. COH bond breaks. ठीक है, तो हम पहले इसके बारे में बात करेंगे. First we'll talk about this. Alcohols are acidic in nature. In presence of base. In presence of base. Alcohols are acidic in nature in presence of base. Alcohols are acidic in nature in presence of a base due to the breaking of OH bond. Due to the breaking of OH bond, मतलब if you have an alcohol, you are adding some base to it, it will remove its O minus and give H plus. This will be alkoxide ion. It will be alcohol. Copy it fast. It is your conjugate base. Conjugate base. Conjugate base. Alcohols can give their H plus in presence of base and gives alkoxide ion. It is stable due to the negative charge on oxygen atom. Being an electronegative atom, it can easily accommodate the negative charge. Being an electronegative atom, it can easily accommodate the negative charge. Understood? Now you tell me, if I add electron donating group to it, अगर हम अल्कोहल पे कोई इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेटिंग ग्रुप लगाते हैं, एसिडिटी विल इंक्रीज और डिक्रीज. If we add some electron donating group to it, acidity will increase or decrease? Decrease. कैसे? Among 1 degree alcohol, 2 degree alcohol, 3 degree alcohol. This is 1 degree alcohol. This is 2 degree alcohol. This is 3 degree alcohol. So this will give RO minus. This will give RCr O minus. This will give R, and R, O minus. Now anions are stabilized by minus effects. 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 यहां पर क्या हो रहा है? प्लस आई प्लस आई प्लस आई प्लस आई एंड प्लस आई. So stability will be like this. Stability order. Stability order will be like 1 degree is better than 2 degrees better than 3 degree. Presence of alkyl groups decreases the stability of anions because of their plus I effects. Because of their plus I effects. Presence of alkyl groups decreases the stability of anion because of their plus I effects. So if you have an electron donating group, it will try to increase more electron density. But anions are unstable because of high electron density only. So they will be less acidic. One degree alcohol, 2 degree alcohol, 3 degree alcohol. Understood? Any doubt in this? Among alcohols and phenols, which is more acidic? 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 जिसका conjugate base ज्यादा stable होगा. Which conjugate base is more stable? Phenoxide ion is more stable than alkoxide ion due to resonance. It is resonance stabilized. It is resonance stabilized. You can make these resonance structures. So it is resonance stabilized. Understood? You do have to make these resonating structures in your exam. Without this, it won't be possible. Understood? All of you. अभी इतना करते हैं, बाकी नेक्स्ट क्लास में करेंगे. Thank you.